Hello friends! Ever wanted to create woodworking projects easily and quickly? If you want to start a woodworking project, you need all the necessary information, including schematics, blueprints, materials lists, dimensions, etc. That is where this site comes in. The plans are clearly drawn and there are step-by-step explanations of how the plan should be done and put together. There are several other sites whose collection of plans has the dimensions totally wrong without any indication of parts lists, material lists or the tools needed. If you're one of those people who have bought plans like this in the past, Ted's Woodworking will change your perception. In Ted's Woodworking you will get everything you need. Diagrams which are detailed with a full set of dimensions. Step-by-step instructions on how to start your project. The necessary materials for that particular project. All the woodworking tools you will need. If you are a beginner or have done some woodworking, you will find these plans easy to follow as the instructions are very clearly written. The woodworking plans are straightforward, so they are not complicated at all. Even if you are a total newcomer to woodworking, you will simply be able to master all the techniques that are needed and the woodworking skills very quickly by following the concise and clear instructions. Another thing which is so great about these woodworking plans is that there have been some videos included, and there are some to guide you in how to build benches, home furniture, dog houses, bird feeders, sheds and much more. I haven't found anything like this for less than tens of thousands of dollars. If you are planning to start on your woodworking project, this isn't something you should use, it's something that you would be insane not to. So hurry up, click the link given below in the description and access it now.